In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a very simple histogram in Google Sheets. So here I have waiting time data and I want to see the distribution. So I'm going to select my data and I'm going to come to Insert and Chart. And then you can see here the chart type that the system has automatically for me chosen histogram chart, but it might not do that directly. So if it doesn't, if it selects for you by default a bar chart, for example, you just come here to the little arrow, you open the editor and you scroll down, and histograms are usually here in Other. So you just come all the way down to Other and you will find it here, and then you change the format to a histogram. Okay, I'm gonna close the editor. So we have here the distribution of waiting time in minutes, and here on the Y we have the count, which is how many people have waited within this bracket. So within from 1 to 175, from 170 to 40 the count is 5.2. Here the count is 4, so majority of our customers are waiting between those brackets here.